Water is an important natural resource that Pittsburgh is lucky to have in abundance. We receive nearly 40 inches of precipitation annually. Much of that falls during heavy rainstorms that can overwhelm our antiquated sewer system and cause damage through flooding and erosion. With climate change, our region is predicted to see both increased overall precipitation and more frequent, intense storms. At the Frick Environmental Center, we have two goals with respect to rainwater. First, to meet the Living Building Challenge net zero target, we need to capture at least as much water as we use on site. Second, we need to return water to the environment in ways that protect the ecosystem and human health, and eliminate the burden on our overloaded sewer systems. On the north side of the FEC campus, we collect, store, and treat rainwater for use on site. The solar panels over the parking lot not only generate energy, they also collect rainwater. Water from the solar panels and nearby barn roof is channeled into two 500-gallon rain barrels, one 1,500-gallon cistern, and a 15,000-gallon underground cistern. From there, the water is filtered, treated, and sent around the site for irrigation, the fountain, and toilet flushing. Although state law requires us to use municipally treated water for drinking and hand washing, we still collect rainwater equivalent to our total on-site usage. The south side of the FEC campus, including the building itself, celebrates our abundant rainfall. When it rains, windows in the main hallway display a waterfall of rain sheeting off the roof. This water, along with the runoff collected from nearby walkways, streams through the Rain Ravine art piece before heading through a series of constructed wetlands. These wetlands reduce flooding, filter the water, and return stormwater gradually to the water table and to the Falls Ravine stream. The Falls Ravine watershed below the Environmental Center is a diverse ecosystem. Organisms like caddisflies, mayflies, water pennies, salamanders, crayfish, and tiny freshwater shrimp called scuds live in this stream. Many of these animals are very sensitive to temperature, salts, and other contaminants. The stormwater capture and constructed wetlands at the Environmental Center protect this rich ecosystem. The Environmental Center drive and walkways also incorporate 3 areas of pervious pavers that allow rain and melting snow to slowly flow into the groundwater instead of becoming stormwater runoff. Finally, the black water from restrooms and sinks passes through a series of treatments, including a septic system and a sand filter, before being piped to a remote drip field. All of these green infrastructure elements work together, so all the rainwater that falls on the Frick Environmental Center is returned to the natural ecosystem. Keeping stormwater and wastewater out of the sewer system benefits the people and organisms downstream, from the small creeks in the park to Pittsburgh's iconic rivers to the Mississippi River and beyond.